The DeLonghi EW7707CM arrives with the quiet confidence of something built to do one job and do it well. No glowing screens, no complicated menus, no futuristic spaceship hum, just simple controls, durable steel, and a promise of steady, gentle warmth. It heats the way good habits work, not with drama, but with consistency. And in a world where heaters often roar like tiny dragons, there's something refreshing about a machine that seems content to whisper. This heater relies on an oil-filled radiator system, a slow and steady method that warms a room the same way the morning sun warms a wall, gradually, quietly, and without drying the air. The exclusive thermal slot design pushes heat into the room efficiently while keeping the surface temperature safer than many expect. Yes, the exterior gets warm, but not branding iron hot. More like accidentally bumped it and didn't panic. For homes with pets or the occasional clumsy moment, that matters. Powering up to 1,500 watts, the unit is built for small to medium rooms, bedrooms, offices, living rooms that don't demand a furnace-level blast. It thrives in spaces roughly 20 by 20 or smaller, and when used as intended, maintaining an even temperature, its performance stands out. Many users found that it handles cold nights without complaint, keeping rooms at a cozy 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, even when outdoor temperatures dip to 17 degrees Fahrenheit. Some even lowered their central thermostat at night, letting this quiet workhorse maintain comfort until morning. And silence is a big part of the charm. Oil heaters are generally quieter than fan-based models, but not all are created equal. Some competing brands pop, creak, and crack as metal expands and contracts. With this model, early batches had occasional reports of machine gun noises, usually a sign of a defective unit. But when functioning properly, the experience is almost meditative. A tiny click from the thermostat, a gentle warming hum from the oil during the first few minutes, and then nothing. A silence so soft that even light sleepers and home office workers praised it. The ComfortTemp feature deserves special mention. When activated, it automatically balances energy use and room temperature, making the heater up to 20% more efficient. Instead of blasting heat, shutting off, and repeating like an indecisive dragon, the heater settles into a rhythm. It keeps the room in the 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit zone without constant fiddling with the dial. Some users preferred manual control and found their own rhythm, starting on high for a quick warm-up, then switching to low to maintain. But ComfortTemp still won over many for its simplicity. Durability is another quiet strength. The permanently sealed diathermic oil never needs replacing, and the multi-layer paint finish resists corrosion. Many owners ran their units through multiple winters without any degradation in performance, and even in poorly insulated spaces, the heater delivered steady warmth once brought up to temperature. Mobility is handled with an integrated handle and snap-on wheels. They glide easily on hard floors, but struggle on carpet, an annoyance for some, irrelevant for others, who simply leave the heater parked in its nightly post. There is no built-in timer, which a few people wished for, especially for bedtime use. But the safety features, thermal cutoff, fully enclosed elements, anti-freeze mode, add peace of mind. Pets even curl up beside it, like it's their private spa stone. What ultimately sets this heater apart is the way it treats the air itself. No fans whipping dust, no scorching dryness, no hot spots or cold corners, just a soft, even heat that feels human. Rooms feel calmer, sleep feels deeper, and electricity bills stay in check because the heater warms the space actually being used, not the entire house. It isn't the heater for someone who wants instant, high-impact heat the moment the switch flips. It's the heater for someone who appreciates reliability, quiet, and that slow-building warmth that lingers long after the unit clicks off. In a marketplace full of noisy quick fixes, the DeLonghi EW7707CM feels more like a well-made tool, patient, sturdy, and reassuring. A heater that doesn't rush, doesn't argue, and doesn't demand attention, yet somehow becomes the most dependable thing in the room.